Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hem a curve on a shirt. And this tutorial is for the beginners. If you are new to sewing, this video is for you. I'll be taking you on a step-by-step guide to achieve this. So before we proceed, I would like to have a like from you so that the YouTube algorithm will circulate this video to more people. And if you are new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without a waste of time, let us now proceed to work. I will now commence with the hemming, but before I do that, I have to join the collar together first of all. Then I will align it to be straight. I believe you can see what I'm doing. We align it and make sure that the bottom are equal. Both bottom are equal. You can see it, they are equal before I will commence my hemming. Just as I said that this tutorial is beginners friendly. So let's assume that if the one side of it, after aligning, one side is longer than the other, what you need to do is to trim the side that is longer, trim it a little bit, to trim it off, so before you now commence your hemming. So this is it. You can see that this is a cuff edge at the bottom of our shirt. I want to hem it. Just watch me and I want you to follow me. As I folded it, I'm running the stitch at the tip of it. So this tutorial is just for beginners, how to hem your shirt. So you can see how I'm doing it. This is just exactly the way you need to do it. One of your finger will enter inside to hold it at the top. So I will take it to the ironing table to iron it so that it will relax very well. So I'm back from my ironing table. You can see how neat the curve is, the hemming of the shirt. You can see it. You can see how neat it is. Oh, pardon me. So this is all about how to hem the bottom of your shirt for beginners. Please do well to give me a like on this video, and if you are new to my channel, look down below this video, see a subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all so that you get notified whenever I bring a valuable video like this one to you. Thank you, and God bless you.